How to clear Instagram chat from both sides. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to clear Instagram chat from both sides, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Instagram app. And now when I'm on my Instagram app, then I'm just going to find a message basically. So I'm going to go here. And as you can see, we have a message in here. So I'm just going to write something random. I'm just going to write like, hello, please subscribe. Something like this. Yeah, hello, please subscribe. And if I now want to delete this from both sides, then what I want to do is to actually press on that message. So like press and just hold on that message. And as you can see, it says copy and send and save. That's the three options that we get. But in this case, we just need to click where it says unsend. Exactly. So as you can see, the message is now unsent. And you can do this as many times as you want. So now we have actually deleted the message from both sides. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I will try to answer to as many as I can. So please don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.